Welcome back to Speed Society. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic middleweight cruisers that continues to define classic motorcycling, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750. The Shadow has always been about style, reliability, and effortless riding pleasure, and the 2026 model carries that legacy into a new era. With its timeless design, improved performance, and modern technology, Honda has refined this cruiser to appeal to both old-school riders and a new generation of enthusiasts. It's a machine built to deliver pure enjoyment on every ride, whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the open road. The legacy of the 2026 Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 has been a legend since the 1980s, known for its unbeatable balance between comfort, performance, and reliability. It quickly became a favorite among riders who wanted a true cruiser feel without the bulk or complexity of larger bikes. Over the years, the Shadow's appeal has never faded, and with the 2026 model, Honda continues to honor its classic roots while integrating the latest advancements. This isn't just an update, it's a thoughtful evolution of a motorcycle that has earned its reputation for being one of the smoothest, most dependable cruisers ever built. Design and aesthetic. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 embraces the spirit of a traditional American cruiser but with unmistakable Honda refinement. It features low-slung lines, a sculpted fuel tank, and an elegant chrome treatment that catches the light beautifully. The teardrop tank, bobbed fenders, and spoked wheels give it that vintage cruiser charm, while the all-LED lighting system adds a touch of modern sophistication. The ergonomics have been fine-tuned, offering a comfortable, upright seating position that's ideal for long rides. Available in deep metallic shades and matte finishes, the Shadow 750 looks bold, muscular, and timeless, the kind of bike that turns heads wherever it goes. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Shadow 750 lies Honda's tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, now refined for smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. It's a torquey, dependable powerplant that delivers strong low-end grunt, perfect for relaxed cruising and effortless city rides. The engine's low vibration characteristics make it one of the most comfortable cruisers in its class, while the fuel injection system ensures crisp and efficient performance in all conditions. Paired with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive, the 2026 Shadow offers seamless power delivery, minimal maintenance, and a riding experience that feels both classic and refined. Technology and features. While the Shadow 750 stays true to its traditional cruiser roots, Honda has smartly added subtle modern touches for 2026. The bike features a new digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster, combining retro charm with modern convenience. The LED headlight, tail light, and turn signals not only enhance visibility but also add a premium touch to the design. The Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) system provides added confidence on slippery roads, and the improved ABS ensures smooth and safe braking in all conditions. There's also a new USB charging port integrated discreetly under the seat, a small but welcome addition for everyday riders. Handling and comfort. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 shines in the comfort and control department. The low seat height and forward-set foot controls create an easy, relaxed riding position that welcomes riders of all sizes. The chassis design keeps the center of gravity low, making the bike incredibly stable and easy to maneuver even at slow speeds. The front telescopic fork and dual rear shocks have been retuned for a softer, more responsive ride over rough roads. Combined with its lightweight frame and precise steering, the Shadow 750 offers that signature smooth Honda feel, predictable, balanced, and confidence-inspiring on every corner. Riding experience. Riding the 2026 Shadow 750 is all about laid-back enjoyment. The V-twin hums gently beneath you, delivering a smooth wave of torque that makes every throttle twist satisfying. It's not a bike that begs to be pushed hard, instead, it rewards riders who want to savor the journey. On highways, it cruises effortlessly with minimal vibration, and in the city, it glides through traffic with ease. Every element, from the cushioned seat to the tuned exhaust note, is designed to make your ride relaxing and enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your cruiser journey, the Shadow 750 feels welcoming from the moment you fire it up. Upgrades for 2026. For 2026, Honda has focused on refinement and modern usability. The Shadow 750 now meets the latest 5 Euro plus emission standards thanks to updated engine tuning and exhaust components. The braking system has been upgraded for better feel and control, and new suspension settings enhance comfort on longer rides. The LED lighting system, USB port, and revised instrument cluster add a modern touch without straying from the Shadow's classic appeal. Honda has also improved seat padding and vibration isolation, making this model the most comfortable Shadow ever built. Who is this for? The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 is built for riders who appreciate classic cruiser aesthetics but want modern reliability and ease of use. It's ideal for those who want a comfortable, low-maintenance motorcycle for daily commuting, weekend rides, or even light touring. New riders will love its approachable nature and predictable handling, while experienced cruisers will admire its timeless design and Honda craftsmanship. It's the perfect blend of nostalgia and practicality, a bike that feels both familiar and fresh. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 will be available in dealerships worldwide starting mid-2026. Pricing is expected to remain competitive in the midsize cruiser category, offering incredible value for the features and quality it provides. Honda is also offering a range of official accessories, including saddlebags, windshields, and custom trim kits, allowing riders to personalize their Shadow exactly the way they want it. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 continues to prove why this model remains one of the most beloved cruisers in the world. It blends old-school character with modern dependability, making it the kind of motorcycle that never goes out of style. With its smooth V-twin performance, comfortable ergonomics, and effortless handling, it's a machine built to make every ride feel special. For riders who value comfort, craftsmanship, and classic cruiser spirit, the 2026 Shadow 750 is the ultimate expression of timeless motorcycling, simple, soulful, and unmistakably Honda.